Good day, good morning, welcome guys. Good day, good morning, welcome everyone. Good evening, good afternoon, happy Wednesday. No, Thursday. Actually, it's Thursday today, the last day of the month. Here we are, guys, surprising you with a P&L tab from the Lucid. Ha ha ha. There you go. There you go. 8,295 yesterday. Good evening, good day. Here we are, guys. Here we are. Thank you so much. We got big time news. Big time news. Advanced GDP and then PCE price index. Change in the price of goods and services purchased by consumers excluding food and energy. It's the Federal Reserve's primary inflation measure. In 3 minutes, guys, so pay attention to that. Thank you so much for joining. Make sure to like the video, invite people on board. We gotta collect 180 likes. Let's just go ahead and invite people right now. All the trading communities in the world, whoever lives on Earth must be invited. Whoever lives on Earth. Come on, guys, we're live. Gotta be out here enjoying our time. Oh. Formula link is there. We can do news trading, yes. Good morning, good day everyone. Continuing to perform on the YRM, sending you the link, still running on the massive promotions out there. We're gonna get inflation numbers. Trading the Lucid, trading Savius probably, the big accounts. And enjoying the community along with a green tea. Thank you guys. Less than 2 minutes. Ha ha ha. The daily opening is 320 points away. Impressive, guys, impressive. What happened after the daily opening on the Asia? The way we came back all the level, very interesting. The entire markdown and the recovery right now. Thank you, guys. That's some stylish price action. Ha ha ha. 20 seconds to go, guys. I'm gonna pull up my quant tower. I like to trade there. Good morning. Badger is going to be away today. Badger is not here today. Badger is not here today. He's away, out of town. Careful, guys. We're getting the news. Good morning, good day, everyone. We're gonna run the races without Badger. He is out of town. Look at that. Less than expected on the advanced GDP forecast. PCE came out as expected on 0.3%. Not a big deal. The market is not doing that much. Is not doing that much, guys. Ha ha ha. Oh, there you go. Yeah. There you go. Might test out a little short here, guys. Might test it out at some point. Wondering about the supply coming through around the 615.20s. Yeah. I mean, this level has been filled up. Look at that. This whole level has been filled up with significant tops. Testing out a short from here. 7 minis. On my YRM account, 150,000 instant funded. We have 3,000 bucks profit. I'd like to do max profit here today, 1,600. And that's a beautiful start for the moment. Just a little lower, guys. Just a little lower. Oh, that was so close hitting the target. If I would have had my take profit. There you go, guys. Come on. Stop loss break even. Just a little. And there you go. $1,700 profit. Ha 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 ha. Scrambles on fire. Look at that. How easy is this, guys? How easy? And you're blaming the props. Boom. You just gotta smell the things. You have to smell these things, guys. There you go. 1,715. We're gonna lose some money here. We're gonna lose some money. Maybe like 100 bucks. I'm gonna lose that $100. I'm gonna long. Yeah, like 90 bucks I'm gonna lose. I don't need this much because of the consistency. Here we are. Now, please, market makers, take me to my loss. Once and forever. Be decisive, as usually. Take me to my targets. No need to disappoint. Go for it. Or maybe I should say I want to make money, because then we are dumping. Exactly. Come on. Damn consistency. You gotta give something back. Yeah. Good day, good morning. Welcome, everyone. This is an important target here. I think we might touch levels around 490s. Lovely. We lost as much as it was needed. Couldn't be happier than that. And I'm gonna try something. Lovely, 1,620. Right, so we have two 150,000 evaluations of Lucid Flex that we're going to take care about right now. Which means if we successfully touch another 4,500 today, we're going to make them funded. You know, we got 4. 2 of them have been lost yesterday. And the other 2 reached to 50% of the progress. I'm going to test out a little long from here. There you go. Around the 90s. Hopefully we can get that. Last week's high 462. We have a fair value gap right below the 460s, somewhere around 57. Might be too early on longing this. Come on. Limit orders are waiting. Lovely. 2 contracts have been filled up. Why not more? Give me a little more. Alright, 10 minis have been filled up for this evaluation. Thank you so much, guys, for joining. 10 minis. $5.13 for my target. I'm already stop loss break even. I've already set that stop loss break even. Maybe I'm a little bit too early with that. But we are trying to trade the reverse, which means I gotta be tight in case the market decides to continue. Yeah, I'm gonna increase my trailing right below the current green candle. So as soon as it turns red, I have to be out. Good morning, welcome guys. Thank you so much for joining. Watch out. Watch out, we're about to try our best. Hitting that 9-gram profit here. And passing the evaluation in 2 days. Obviously, we need a strong secondary Greek candle here. First one looks promising. I am trailing right below the current one. Trailing. Had a partial exit, guys. Had a partial exit of 5 minis. Right, so I sold half of it. It is ready, but I sold half of it. I need that terribly. Made 1,600 on the other side. Nearly 3,000 here. What's wrong with me, guys? Ha 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 ha. Oh my gosh. Oh. Cheers, everyone. Having a good time on a tea. There you go. Oh, you touched my trailing. Not a worry. $2,255 profit. Gentlemen's celebration time. Boom. Time for the explosion. We're halfway through. Halfway through. Another 2,250. And we're ready to click that green button. Upgrade your account from Lucid Dashboard. Thank you guys. So Lucid, certainly Scramble coupon code has discounts pretty much everywhere. Lucid+YRM. Top 1 futures and Savius. I am wondering about this level, guys. So I'm just questioning last week's high. 462, questioning that. But something way more interesting would be 414. Yesterday's high, which is also very close to weekly opening. And that looks like to be a meaningful level. Around 414, we have daily VWAP as well. So there is a massive conjunction here at this level. Between 414 and 400. 14 points for the bulls. I'm reshorting, guys. Reshorting the price action here. We need 2,250. 483 for my target. Will this level hold? Are they doing a dirty job to me? Nah. I don't like this. I don't like this candle. No way. Good morning, good day everyone. Come on. Yeah. Aiming for a continuation. Could be a fake bouncing here. Look at that rejection. Temporary decent. Look at that. They're watching my stream and they saw me being in a short. Ha ha ha. Is this a book written from the perspective of the prop firm, right? So you first create the book, teach people, and then create a prop firm. Launch a prop firm. So you can have consumers. I am putting my stop loss above the current red candle, right? So if this rejection is not sticking and it starts stinking, Scramble is gonna chicken out. Lovely. Ha ha ha. Lovely. Come on. Press the button, guys. Scramble is in a short here against the whole market. Ha ha ha. We're about to make the account funded. If 490s do not protect this level, come on, receive acceptance below. I'm sitting right there, 483 on the target, guys. We could be on so fire. Thank you so much for joining. Oh, there you go. The target has been hit. Ha ha ha. And we have another funded account. We're actually very close to. We need a $200 more or something like that, right? Look at that. 158, 875. Ha ha ha. Oh. We still need some money here, like 150. Not today. Not today. Tomorrow. What is it tomorrow? Is it Friday? Yes. So this is extremely close and making it funded. It was the second day. I told you yesterday we had 4 accounts of 150,000 Lucid Flex. 2 have been burned. 2 got 4,500. One of that already made today 4,500. Thank you guys. And I'm gonna continue trading the second one. Oh. Here is it. This is the other we had. Testing out a little long here with a stop loss right below the wick. Right below the current wick. I'm testing, guys. I'm saying always that I'm testing longs with 10 minis. Because I don't want the market makers that are watching me to believe something else. I don't want them to consider I'm making money or so. No, I'm only testing things. I never say I trade whatever. I only test. Come on. Give me that 4,500 here as well. Give me that money, guys. 510 for my exit. Ha 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 ha. Look at that. Ha ha. Come on. Keep going. Keep going. It looks good. And I'm only testing it. Come on, guys. Rush. You see, this is minor supply here in the 1 minute. But I'm not getting out. I am stubborn, greedy, and I want my whole target to be touched. Stubborn and greedy. Oh, let me go break even. I don't have to be an idiot. There you go. I'm sitting on break even. Chilling out. Having a good time. Watching out for the toys. If we have toys here from the kids left on the desktop, on the office. Nothing new. Alright. Time to make some money. We got a book here. A few more books. There you go. Pump it. Oh, that was close. Very close. Come on. Go. If you reject here, I'm gonna be out. If you reject here, I'll be out. I'm selling 5 contracts because I'm scared. I sold half of it. And I'm putting the stop loss here for the rest of. You know, move the trailing up. Oh. What a lovely day so far. Not expecting it to be different. There you go. We touched the lovely trailing, but we have $3,000 profit here. So $1,500 more is needed. 1,500. Ha ha ha. They can certainly not leave. No way. Trump is going to allow that. No way. Good morning. Great to see you guys. Great to have you on board. Big money has been already made today. Lucid Flex accounts is what we're trading. No consistency in target on the funded stage. This guy's from Lucid should reset that vault with the promotions. A lot of you have already burned your 40%. Oh. We might be running here, guys. I am tempted to long it, but I think I would wait for a better structure. If I long it here, I long supply with the hope of breaking out. And I think we have a much better opportunity at some point. So in other words, this trade, the cost of opportunity would be high. That doesn't mean it cannot be a winner. So you have winners with high cost of opportunity. You have winners with low cost of opportunity. Low cost of opportunity winners are the best, especially when you're close to hitting your targets. Look at that. Yeah. We saw the impulse. We saw the pressure stepping around. With 10 minutes, this would have been already on my target. Now the retail and the average trader is getting tilted and is ready to lose the account. It's you know, that's the case, right? Welcome, guys. Welcome, everyone. You're welcome. Right, so the average trader is getting so tilted in such a situation that it's ready to lose the whole account. It's going to chase the price action. But I'm sitting back, guys. I have a duty to educate and share the right maneuvers in front of large audiences. Very large audiences. YouTube is not promoting. We would have 5,000, 10,000 people here watching if it would be based on the quality. And you guys know that. All right, I got to stop speaking this kind of things, right? No, we're joking, you know, having a good time, just, you know. There is static drawdown. It is. You want to see the static drawdown at work? I can show that to you. Let me show you. I think you're new around here. Look at that. Look at that account. $299,000. And let me show you the numbers behind it. Here's the account. 299. The minimum balance is 150, 100. That's the max loss. It's not trailing, it's static. Right? So this is static. We have 150 grand buffer or max loss. Look at that. This is the type of P&L you need to achieve that. Lucid Flex, no consistency advantages. Right, so basically it's static. So since 22nd, yes. Your trailing end of the day drawdown stops at some point. So once you hit your max loss value, from that point, I mean once you hit your max loss value in profit, once you hit your max loss value in profit, if your max loss value is 4,500, once you hit that in profit, your trailing no longer follows you and becomes static on the original balance plus $100. Yes, yes. So always the trailings are stopping once you hit the value of your max loss in profit. 4,500 is the max loss for a Lucid Flex of 150,000. Right? Lucid Flex, 150,000. 4,500 is the max loss in the evaluation plus in the funded stage as well. As soon as I made on my funded stage plus even on the evaluation, as soon as I do, no matter in which stage, 154,500, Trailing is stopping. Yes, that's what I'm trying to do. And then I'm milking the system. We have two accounts. We have this one with 299, and the other one has 297. They're not copy traded. A maximum payout, there is a cap of 3,000 per account. You can have 5 accounts, so 15 grand, and you can have 6 payouts of 15 grand. 6 payouts, basically 30 payouts in total if you do it like this. If I lose the accounts after 4 payouts and create a same system, I might be able to escape the live transition and sit in the funded stage with another round like that. Banning me? Nah. They move you to live. But I'm waiting for... That's the reason. These accounts are ready for payouts any moment, right? I always have that green button, request a payout, showing up on the dashboard at the beginning of the day. Thank you. Enjoy your evening, buddy. Fred is not wrong about it. Fred is not wrong about it. Live with 150,000 buffer. Oh. Sincerely, I would go for a million target. With an account like 150,000 on live, I would go for 1 million target. If they would give me 150,000 for live, I would say, hey guys, I'm going for a million target. And once I hit 1 million, I'll give you 200 grand profit. And you drop me the rest. We always do the max payouts. We were building this accounts next to trading the other accounts that we have, right? So we were always having this accounts available during the day, and we've been just following the momentum and trading. But now it's time to focus on the 1,500 bucks extra needed here. Yes. That's right, on the live stage. Look at that move, guys. The flat hourly is trying to push the price section. Looks like we have some energy. Looks like it. Testing out a short here with a stop loss right above the whole thing. It's not an easy place to short. It's not an easy place to short. Six minis. Stop loss above the whole thing. Nah, I told you. Not an easy place to short. Look at that. Not an easy place to short. Nah. What a miserable price action. Continuing to push. You're not taking not even $2 below the structure, so I go break even. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah, higher time frames are bullish, and the market is favorizing the growth of Nasdaq. Oil is not looking good, and I don't think it's gonna look great today, not even tomorrow. Gave something back from the profits. There's nothing I could do here. Such a risky thing. Other than as soon as I click something, the market goes the other way. That's the moment we're sitting right now. As soon as I click whatever, I could do it blindly. As soon as I click something, it's going the other way. That's the moment we are. Morning, great fellas. Morning, everyone. We are printing today. Made profits back and forth. Have not traded the big accounts. We're focusing on building the rest. I will be testing a short from here, guys. And it's going to be 10 minis. Believe it or not. 10 minis. Watch out. Supply could be confirmed here. Supply. Supply could be confirmed here. Ha ha ha. Lovely. Ha 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 ha. Look at my entry, guys, on... it's a perfect entry here as well. But here, it's even better on YRM. Look at that, guys. Look at the entry. 7 minis on YRM as well. Ha 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 ha. Look at the entry, guys. Perfect. Stop loss break even. Wondering what's happening around the corner here on my 10 minutes. Stop loss break even. That looks juicy. Next candle to be red. And we're banking the profits. Come on, guys. Run. 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 Nah. You don't want to reverse it here. Break it down. Oh, lovely. I'm trailing. I'm trailing. Oh, lovely. Only 2 contracts have been filled up. We've got 8 contracts there. What's happening, guys? Look at that. Only 2 contracts have been filled up from 10. Why? Only 2 contracts have been filled up from 10. Look at that. Why? And then watch out for the reaction. We're 10 points from there. No way. Only 2 contracts. Oh, look at that, guys. Look at that. Look at that thing. Maybe they moved me to live. I have no idea. I think it's no longer a sim environment. I think they moved me to live. They are cheating on me, right? Look at that. You guys have seen that? You guys have seen that? Best part is that it could have been a single contract. We got 2. Could have been worse. This is just rhythmic servers and Lucid. Could have been worse, guys. Think about it. Oh my gosh. We had such a lovely... think I'm gonna get out of this here. I don't know if this is... You know, I'm gonna still leave it open. For God's sake, but... might be better to chicken out and secure some of the profits. 700 bucks. Let me take that money. Such a scam here. Choppy at the top. They might want to revisit my level. Let me take that 700. Before I get robbed again. Oh, I bet so. Rhythmic service for Tradesy. I avoid Tradesy for the moment. Ha ha. Yeah. 2 got filled. If I would have been a single tick higher, probably I would have celebrated already, and you guys could have enjoyed some nice fireworks. But now, I am back to struggling. We gotta do 2,000. And watch out, I'm shorting 10 minis. I am shorting 10 minis. Ha 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 ha. Don't you dare reversing this back. Where's my take profit needed here? I'm selling 5 contracts. I'm out of the whole thing. 5,027 bucks, guys. Rainbows on fire. 5,027 bucks. There you are. Boom. Celebration time. Celebration time, guys. We got this. 2 out of 2 fully confirmed. Oh my gosh. Good to see you, Jacob. I'll let you know soon. Oh, I felt that, guys. Boom. Yeah. So we gotta lose some money right now. About 500 bucks. I am a momentum trader. You gotta be here for at least 1 month on the live stream, Jacob, to grasp something out of the way I'm trading. Momentum trader. How, why, when, where are questions that cannot be answered so easily. Numbers do talk for themselves. 299 grand on a 150,000 account. Look at that. Wondering what's wrong with me. I just enjoy the green color somehow way better than the red ones. Might be the reason. The balloon. No idea. Where's the balloon? Haven't seen it today. No idea. I think the nurses. The nurses did something with the balloon. Oh. Yes, it did. Over the night for the US time, over the night for the European time. Right, so we're running on 24 out of 24 night time. We gotta lose some, oh, not of this account. Not planning to lose anything on this one. Bring me back to the ones where we have profit. 500 bucks. We gotta lose $500 here, guys. I'm a short 5 minis. I don't care if it drops. I'll lose more if needed. I'm gonna short 5 minis. We have to lose $500 for consistency purposes. Please, please, do not be harsh on the judgments you're gonna do on this trades where I have to lose. Please, guys. Do not be harsh on making judgments on these trades. If for some reason you just opened the live stream in the last 10 seconds, well, you might have a false profile on my capab. Here we are, guys. Here we are. Balloons are exploding out here with the fireworks barking around. We're making money. I don't want to make money here. It was looking like going down, but I like making extra money. Let me test out an additional 5-minute short. Watch out. Not touching this one yet. If we get rejected, I'm going to test out an additional 5-minute short. Here you go. We touched the right stop loss break even. 4,457. It's good, guys. It's good. 4,457. Yes. Indeed. That's right. They tricked me out with 8 minis. It only filled out on the sim environment 2 out of 10. What was that? We don't negotiate this kind of things. So in exchange of that, got in a short of 10 minis again and made more money than needed. And now I gave 500 back to the markets. I had no other solutions, guys. I like this kind of revenges. When the market makers are not filling the orders, I'm a revenge big time. Alright, so we got 2 out of 2 funded today. 100% rate. Didn't keep my 50% rate I had yesterday. Yesterday we had 50% rate. Today we somehow managed to come back to our natural numbers, organic numbers. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord, guys. Oh, this is looking good. 159 is looking good. And then this one 158, 875. I mean, we still have to do here 120 bucks, guys, tomorrow. How hard is going to be that 120 bucks tomorrow? Tell me. Against 8,700. Some of you know how quickly those odds can spiral. You know how quickly? Like 12 AC is eating the fusilli pasta. You know how fusilli pasta is looking? That's how quickly your odds, when you got 120 bucks to do against 8,700 max loss, can easily fall against you. Fusilli. Oh. Maccheroni. Oh. Maccheroni and Molisana. Nah. Oh, very good, very good. Pretty fortunate today. Non-stop profits, 700 here. 1,620 on the other account on YRM. Watch out, YRM is running biggest discounts out there. Their 50,000 evaluation is the cheapest. Right, so these 2 accounts are profit here. We have not traded anything else on YRM, just 2 accounts. And then Lucid. We only traded 2 accounts on Lucid, both 4,500 profit, touching our target for the evaluation stage of 150,000 Lucid Flex. What do I think about Italy? Ho ho ho! Macaroni. I wish you good luck with that. At least one of the accounts, at least one of the accounts, and then you can scale. Oh, there's a lot to see about Italy. What not? Italian football. Is interesting, right? How history, culture, people, music, art, culture, architecture, politics. Traders? Do you have traders in Italy? Is it popular? Tell me a little more. Tell me a little more about the culture of trading in Italy. How is the culture of trading in Italy? Engineers, exactly. Tell me a little more about the culture of traders in Italy. Good day. Welcome everyone. Great to see you guys. It's popular. Whatever is not representing heavy work is popular, right? Whatever is not involving heavy work and it's allowing time for un caffè, allowing time for fresh pomodoro is good, right? You know, the trading activity is nicely going side by side with dolce far niente, right? It is. Time, sufficient time for the aperitivo, sufficient time, right? As long as this activity is giving enough time to serve, nothing needs to be adjusted. Oh, time to focus on a new evaluation. New evaluation. Yeah. Highest average life expectancy in the world, especially the ones in the rural Italian side. Cooking fresh from their garden. I've been moving around there and I've been seeing them in the south. Not in a deep, not in the very south. But they're 80, 85, walking without problems. Some of them are bicycling without problems. Enjoying the sun and eating extremely simple and fresh. Yes, no long-shelved products or products. That's what these guys are doing. No long shelf. Nothing to do with that. Once I finish trading, we do giveaways. Yep. Very simple food. No processed or ultra processed. I mean, there is some processed, of course, but not ultra. Good morning, good day, everyone. Thank you so much, guys. And they got the beef, which is helping a lot. Yeah. How long does it take for a live account setup? I mean, depends on the prop firm. This is looking at an interesting situation. The 5-minute algo here just turned on. Yes. Yes, it's much better food in Europe. So the Italian and the French cuisine is great. You gotta go simple. Any accounts with no activation fees? Yes. YRM prop firm. 50,000 starter challenge. Coupon code SCRAMBO for additional discount. No activation fee. It is, you know, 67 bucks, something like that. Very cheap. I basically enjoy a lot of Japanese green tea, which is a specific type of green tea, right? The Japanese one. If you're not used to that taste, it's not easy to have it. It's not easy to have it. This is a good one. This is a very good one. Sencha is what I drink the most. Sencha. Here. Here's your tea, guys. Here's your tea. Ha 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 ha. A Japanese nurse. Oh, my grandpa. My grandpa is doing organic honey. My grandpa is doing it. He's 86 and he's living like he's 50. Working hard daily in the garden, not feeling any problems. Grandpa and grandma, they've been married for 62 years. 62 years of marriage they got. He's working around this bees big time. No longer recovering himself when he's dealing with the bees. It's crazy. Not sponsoring them, but maybe they want to give me something. I don't have an affiliate link. I don't have a coupon code for the green tea. Yeah. From La Praire. My wife is doing this kind of creams. Skincare. So from time to time, I use some of her stuff, some of her creams, once in a month. From La Praire. How do you call it? A French brand. Is it French? I think it's French. I don't have any routine. I do it once in a month. Oh, there you go. Boom. Ha ha ha. Lovely, guys. Time for me to test a little long here. Oh, watch out. Five minutes long. This is a fresh account. Yeah, it was looking better. Why there is no reaction, guys? Why there is no reaction? We have a daily wave up here. We don't have a reaction. I don't like it. It's gone. This is what happens when you're trading the opening. It's zero reaction. Look at that. Fresh account is gone. Should have not traded this. Should have kept my 100% ratio for today. Going towards the next one. $4,500. Yeah. You certainly want to be part of our Discord, guys. We must hit minimum 180 likes today to do the giveaways. Minimum 180. I mean, we're dealing with an interesting level here. Watch out. Look at that, guys. We're dealing with a very interesting level. The 5 minute here is a possible reaction place. Impressive, right? It's not stopping that easily. We have the weekly VWAP 275. Poor reactions from this 5 minute candle. Poor. We could have been a lot better than this. All right, guys, we got into the longs with the big accounts, and we're about to cross the 300K. Look at that. with the big boy accounts here that have buffer. It's time to trade at the openings, only accounts that have buffer. Yeah. We have this big accounts having buffer around. Let's see what we can do with them. Can we do something interesting? 10 minis long. Oh! We're very close on hitting the 300k here, guys. Watch out. Are we at 300k? Very close. Very close on hitting the 300k. I'm leaving it open. I'm selling 5 positions. I'm fully out here. 301. I'm getting out of the other as well. $301,000. Finally cracked it. Celebration time, guys. 301,545. Watch out. This is a huge milestone, guys. This is a huge milestone. 301,505. 545. Thank you, guys. This is a huge milestone. $301,000 on a 150,000 instant funded evaluation, Lucid Flex, whatever. This is a big one, guys. This is a massive, massive milestone for me. Can't believe it. We just crossed it, guys. I'ma celebrate today so hard as soon as I turn it off. I'ma celebrate this one so hard, guys. We were close. We were like $600 away. But that 300,000, because at some point, let me show with you guys the numbers here in Lucid Flex. You gotta see the real numbers. Finally, we're marking the day to do that 300 grand. So watch out for the numbers. The balance has not been reset, but watch out here, guys. At this point, we had 264 here. 264, and then we dropped a lot. And then the next time, we had 271 here. And then we dropped to 232. And then from 232 to 300 mark is non-stop profits. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. You guys want extra giveaways, right? Boom. Oh my gosh. So, let's do the following thing, guys. In the name of the community, in the name of the celebration, in the name of the love, loyalty, and strength you had next to me, guys. In the name of your dignity. We're gonna do tomorrow a massive giveaway, guys, because of this milestone. We brought an account, actually 2 accounts, that are not copy traded. We're gonna do tomorrow, guys, a massive giveaway. So listen up. Tomorrow we're gonna do the following thing because of this milestone that we just touched here. We're gonna do 150,000 Lucid Flex tomorrow, Friday. Remember, 150,000 Lucid Flex for $150,000 profit in the account. Plus, next to this, 50,000 Lucid Flex tomorrow. Keep that in mind. That's 200,000 for Lucid. We're gonna share 200k for Lucid. Look at that, guys. It's running. We made money at the right spot, got out of it, and since that, it's just dumping. So 200,000 Lucid tomorrow, plus 50,000 YRM, plus another 50,000 YRM. Again, for the massive milestone achieved here, bringing the account to 300,000. So 200 grand Lucid, 100 grand YRM, $300,000 in giveaways tomorrow. Whew. But let me tell you something. We must hit, tomorrow we must hit 265 likes. Tomorrow we must hit 265 likes, guys. Till 10 a.m. and 15 minutes. Yes, you can participate, because then you can exchange your account with YRM winners, for example. What I said, did I said 300,000? Yes. 300,000 in giveaways tomorrow. We've matched with the account. We must hit 265 likes, and we're sharing 300 grand tomorrow, guys. Because this is an incredible. You meant 300 likes. Might be too hard, and maybe people will miss on that. I want to set somewhere around the possible and achievable numbers. I don't know if we can hit 300 likes. I don't know. And then if we don't hit the likes, we don't do the giveaways. I want to give you the giveaway, so we have to do it somewhere on a calculate the risks and the rewards for you. 265. Remember that. Tomorrow, big Friday, happy Friday. We touched 300k. Huge milestone. Probably I'm gonna make a video, guys, on YouTube. Oh my gosh. Yeah. 1st of May, on a sunny day, 300k. Lucid account, Lucid flex of 150,000. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at that, guys. The one we passed, the account we passed today is great. It tells me we touched the target here is good. Lovely. Incredible, guys. Look at that. 301. Yeah. 150,000 in profit. Wouldn't be bad. We got 2 accounts like that. Other account looking like. This is 299,613. I gotta bring this one to 300k today as well. Otherwise, if I bring it tomorrow, we'll have to have another round of 300k giveaways, right? It's Lucid Flex account funded stage from Lucid Prop Firm. No consistency on the funded stage. There's many lessons, guys, that I've learned from this account. From this both accounts. Many lessons that I've learned during the process of touching this. And I think I'm gonna present you all these things during the video I'm gonna create. As I said, as I talked about it, as we have been repeating over and over, if you do not allow yourself to be wrong, then you cannot be having performance. Performance happens at some point during the stage, during the process of an exercise that involves mistakes, reorientation based on the new inputs you have, and generate a different output. Challenge yourself in a different environment, in a different situation, have some of the mistakes happening there as well. Impossible not to have. Recalibrate based on that and continue basically the journey this way. So this is the number one thing, the most important thing I believe here. That you perform, you take action, but then you also recalibrate based on the new data you have. If you do not correct, you're going to sit there on the mistakes for years and years. Nothing happens. Yes. Some people will ask me about the Lucid 300k accounts. I can make a video. This is a good idea. Okay, what? It's a good idea. Major news. Lucid $300,000 accounts. I could put that on a title for YouTube. Ha ha ha. So, yes, it was initial 150,000 Lucid Flex. $150,000 Lucid Flex. So we made the evaluation 9,000 on top of this. We don't have consistency here, Pine. We don't have consistency here. So Lucid Flex is having no consistency on the funded stage. No consistency, no target. Pine. It helped me a lot not to have consistency because I left my runners produce a lot and I accelerated on top of the runners. Yeah, I'm going to trade Savius today. I like to see if I can do another $400 here. Maybe re-enter in my longs around this level if I get a chance. You can go 10 minis on the evaluation stage from the beginning once you buy the account, and then on the funded stage, as soon as you earn, there is a scaling plan, but the scaling plan is like you have to earn 4,000 or 4,500, and from that moment you qualify for max contracts. Till that point there is a scaling applied. How much can I transfer? This is down to Lucid. It's down to their decision at a time being. Well, that's a huge one, guys. We'll be testing 2 contracts long here. Market order. Oh, I'm trading the wrong account. Actually, I traded the other account that already has 300k. Oh my god. I actually traded the other account that already has 300k. Didn't switch that, guys. I only switched my statistics, didn't switch the trading account. Yes. Yes. Right, so the 50,000 Lucid Flex is having 4 minis maximum evaluation and funded. So let me test out 2 minis here this way on the right account. I'm out. 300,000 here as well, and 26 bucks, guys. Celebration time. We made it. Ha ha. We actually brought both of the accounts to 300,000. Boom. Indeed, we were close. I mean, we're already close since yesterday. Well, let me show you something. You gotta see something. This is the account with 300,000. This is the P&L from this account specifically. How about 1st of April? No joke. 20,000 profit. Looks like a joke. But we were actually the ones that joked with the markets. 20 grand profit on 1st of April. Look at that. Second of April, 35 grand loss. Do the math, guys. 2nd of April and 8th of April, we have a $57,000 loss. 57 grand. Thank you guys, appreciate it. The giveaway is going to be soon, in a few minutes. And then the other account, this one, which has 301,000. Had the following situations. How about this 2 days, guys? Look at that. You see, it's not the same thing like the other. You remember, 1st of April, we had 20 grand profit on the other. Here we have 4,000. We did not copy trade it. 2nd of April, for the other, we lost 36. Just check out on the stream 2 minutes ago. On the 2nd of April, we lost 35, not 36, 35. This is profitable. We have not copy traded and we made on 2 accounts 300 grand. It's everything on the live stream. All the trades. Yeah. To make $1 million here, I would need 100 grand minimum to start off. Right, minimum. And I would take that challenge, guys. I would take the challenge. If they give me 100,000, not to cash out anything until I hit $500,000. Think about it. Having 400 grand in the account and not to cash out anything in the meantime might take me 3 months, 6 months, whatever. Not to take out anything till I have $500,000. At $500,000, I'm taking half, 250 grand. And with the rest of 250, I would target $1 million. And I would not take anything out till I hit the $1 million. I would accept this challenge. Oh. Time to trade some Savius, guys. Let me switch over my connection for Savius. We have those big accounts on Savius. Let's do some copy trading. The adrenaline is high, guys. The adrenaline is high. Here, you gotta use the form. Here's the form. On live, there is no limit. On live. Could take that 250 out at once. Right, so if I get 100,000 for live, I would take that to 500,000 without taking anything out in the meantime. Then would cash out 250 grand and then would not take anything out till I hit the 1 million mark. You see, if I have buffer, I can produce. It's hard to do constantly 25. Think about with 10 minis, you need 100 points with 10 minis to do 20,000. Right? So with 10 minis, you need 100 points to do 20,000. And as soon as you see 7, 8, 9, 10,000, it's hard not to get out. Right? You see 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, you're not getting out. Right? So to do 20 grand, you need 100 points on 10 minis. Not to get trapped, get wiped out by the trailings, which is again hard. You gotta trail, you gotta protect some money, and the markets can easily play the game of liquidity and snap your trailing. Right? So it's very hard to do constantly 25,000. Unless you can do 20, 30 minis. If you do 30 minis, it's $600 a point. 100 points is what? 60 grand. We're talking about a different thing, right? Yeah. Exactly. I mean, Savius is allowing 40 minis. 40. For the 300k accounts. 40 minis. Giveaway starts in a few minutes. Just to do my Savius trading. I feel the adrenaline moving around. The Savius accounts are the 300k accounts purchased, instant funded. We're sitting below the original balance with this ones. We are copy trading 5 accounts. These are 300k accounts from instant funded Savius. Savius, by the way, right now is running 60% off on any product. Yes, Savius is legit. Yes, I sent you the link, guys. You have to be signed up from there. Right now, there is a special promo, and it's not under my code because they have a silly way of putting the you know, all the campaigns instead of having everything connected to my code, which is the way it is everywhere. This guy from Savius is different. But you gotta be up on the link. If you don't have an account, you can create your account there. 60% off on anything. Instant funded. Oh. I like to see what can I trade. We'll be testing a short here on this little bouncing. Our daily loss limit is 4,000. The max loss is 12,000. Looks like we're not yet reversing. It is nowhere. We might touch our stop loss. Looks like the bears are totally gone. Yeah, we touch it. Obviously. Should have stopped trading a little bit earlier. It's not live. The Savius accounts are instant funded. I'm already emotionally tired with all the tradings we did today. I'm using Quantower for Savius. Quantower. Here you have basically their plans. I mean, Savius is the only prop firm which on their instant funding accounts, you have your payout target at 5%. 60% off right now. Your payout target is at 5% for their instant funded. Think about other firms require you 6% to pass the eval. These guys on instant funded pay you at 5%. But you have 20% consistency, which is normal for the instant funded. And your daily loss limit cannot be touched because it is a hard breach. Which means if you touch your daily loss limit, you lose the account. What does it mean and how you need to adjust that? You have to stop before touching your daily loss limit. It's simple. The daily loss limit is not $1 away. It is thousands of dollars away from your balance every day. Don't touch it. If you don't touch it, it is like a soft breach. Exactly. $10 days of trading, news trading allowed, lovely payouts, and 3 accounts are right now maximum per user. Lovely payouts out there. Also, the prices are interesting. For example, the 300k account is $400. You got $12,000 drawdown at $400. Or $6,000 drawdown. What is 40%? That's how much you pay. 40% of $759. 75.6 times 75.9 times more. $303 for $6,000 drawdown. You're paying basically what? $1 for every $200 of drawdown, right? Or something like that. Or $10 for every $200. Yeah, $10 for every $200 of drawdown. All right. Time to run for the giveaways. Exactly. Yes. Max consecutive payouts per account, 3. If you hit that, you're being moved to live with Savius. Yes, you have to do 5% each cycle on Savius. Each cycle you need to hit 5% of your original balance. Max consecutive, if you reach to 2 payouts and you lose the accounts, you can reach 2 payouts on another round and lose the accounts. If you hit 3 payouts, consecutive payouts on the same accounts, then you're going to be moved to live. Got a lot of the break-evens today. Alright guys, time to focus. We're gonna do the giveaways. Time to focus. Badger is not here. And we're gonna do the giveaways. We're gonna figure it out. We're gonna figure it out. We need the wheel. We need a docs as well. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. So, how do you participate? How you join the giveaway? First things first, you want to make sure to complete the form. Then, how to join, you got to like the video, you got to be subscribed to the YouTube channel, turn on the notification bell, streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 AM EST time. So you want to have the notification bell turned on and join the Discord. These are the 3 things you need to do, plus complete the form, and you will be ready. It's simple. You have to guess the number. We're gonna have a series of numbers, a series of entries. You have to decide on a single number, a single choice per person. No multiple choices. Alright guys, no Badger today. First giveaway will be $25,000 tap on futures, instant funded, Sim Pro, $25,000. Form should be loading. You also want to test your spam folder, that's the place. the message could come in. $25,000 tap on futures instant funded simple account. Watch out for the numbers. Between 0 and 9, guess the number, guys. You could start right now. Guess the number between 0 and 9. Best of luck, everyone. Between 0 and 9. Only a single choice per person. Do not guess multiple times. Let me know your best choice, guys. Only a single David. You got all the numbers. Stop right there. No more choices. It's over. No more choices. It's over. Alright, so we're gonna shuffle this. Best of luck, everyone. It's not gonna be numbers 6, 3, 8. Could be the 7, guys. Could be. I think it is. Oh, what a number here. Congratulations. 7. Congratulations for the winners. Congratulations. Congratulations for the winners. We're scrapping the list. Congratulations. Let's go to the duck race. We got the list. We're going to the duck race. $18 players. 30 seconds competition time. Best of luck, everyone. Best of luck, guys. Who's going to win this one? $25,000 instant funding account, guys. Instant funding account from Tap on Futures. And we have Feo Bedencia. Feo Bedencia. There you go. Congratulations, buddy. Ha ha ha. Congratulations. Congratulations. Let's find it out if you filled up the form. Let's find it out if you filled up the form. We're going to find it out right now. Fayo. Yes, congratulations, buddy. Congratulations for the winners. Great job. Great job. Who's big? You're gonna get a little timeout here. 10 minutes. Just as much as we finish the giveaways, then you can resume. Time for the next one, guys. Time for the next one. This is going to be a 50,000 Lucid Pro. Second giveaway will be 50,000 Lucid Pro. Buckle up. Nasdaq is having a difficult time here. It's unstoppable today, and it's not even Friday. We're going to have more than 2 numbers, more than that. We're going to have quite a few entries. Between 0 and 5, guess the number, guys. Best of luck, everyone. You can start right now. Start right now. Between 0 and 5, let me know. Between 0 and 5. Come on, guys. Let's go. Between 0 and 5. Alright, stop right there. No more guesses, it's over. No more guesses, it's over. Lovely. Time to spin the wheel and see the outcome. No more choices. This is the second giveaway. We have one more. If you, for some reason, got late, here we are. It's not going to be number 2, number 1, number 3 will not be. Very likely this is going to be number 5. Oh yeah, this is 5. Stop right there. It's not going to be number 4, guys. The pedal is not pushing the brake. This is number 5. Congratulations. Congratulations for the winners. We got you at number 5. Oh, there you go. Congratulations. 32 winners out there. 30 seconds competition time. Start right there. Best of luck, everyone. 50,000 Lucid Pro. That's a massive account, guys. Massive. $50,000. Oh, Smith. Smith, you're leading. Look at that, Smith. You're leading. Congratulations. Valorant on the second. But Smith made it. How did you come up with the number, Smith? Congratulations on your grammar. Grammar winning out there. No way, right? Let's see if you filled up the form. Yes, congratulations, 50,000 Lucid Pro. Goes out to your pockets. Best of luck with that. It has a juicy payout, and you certainly want to do it. Time for the last giveaway, guys. Time for the last. Which will be 50,000 YRM. 50,000 YRM for the last giveaway today. But remember, tomorrow, because today we've hit 300 grand in 2 accounts, we made 150,000 and 150,000 profit. Because of that, to celebrate, in the name for the lovely community, we're doing tomorrow $300,000 worth of giveaways. Wait, guys, we don't have the numbers here yet. We're gonna give some of the guys a timeout here. Look at that one. Relax, guys, we don't have the numbers yet. 50,000 YRM. Big Friday is going to be tomorrow, but we must hit tomorrow 265 likes to do it. We must hit that. In the name of love. Alright, guys, so we're going to have three different... I don't need a green tea anymore. I need a cognac. 3 different choices. Watch out. This is going to be dirty. 0, 7, and 8. You can start right now. 0, 7, and 8. Let me know your best choice. Just a single number. Single choice. 0, 7, and 8. Best of luck, everyone. Alright, guys, you want to stop right there. No more choices, it's over. You want to stop right there. Shuffle. Good luck, guys. Good luck, everyone. Ha 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 ha. What is it gonna be? I don't think it's gonna be number 8. No. Might be that little number 7 today. Looks like we're getting it non-stop. Keep pushing, guys. Keep pushing the wheel. Keep pushing a little harder right now. That's gonna be at the limit. Oh my gosh. Who's gonna make it? No. It's not the number 7. No way. Oh. Nah. It's not. It's not the 7. It's 0. Thank you, guys. Thank you. So it's 0. It is 0. You got all the 3 right today. There is no way you're not winning one of it. We had so many choices. The first round was 10 numbers or so. 10 numbers. Second round was 6 numbers, and now it's 3 numbers. You always got the right choice. That's unbelievable. Congratulations, by the way, for the winners. We're out here competing. 52 out here. Lovely. 30 seconds competition time for a YRM account. Congratulations. Ha ha ha. 0 winners, but some of them are swimming already in the Atlantic. We have the snap command. We have it in the chat. And there you go. Someone is speeding up. Moto CJ. There you go, Moto CJ. Moto CJ winning the race. Congratulations, buddy. Oh ho, 50,000 YRM. Are you ready? Did you fill up the form, Moto? Yes, Moto CJ's here filling up the form for a $50,000 YRM account. Congratulations. And it's time for us to see what's running around this nasty Nasdaq. Moto CJ. Haha. Good job. 50,000 YRM. Great, guys. We had a tremendous day. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much, guys. We've learned a lot. We spent a great time together. We've made money. We've had experiences. Some of them were not that positive. But at the end of the day, we all have to learn and progress. The most important thing is that the chance never dies. Tomorrow, there's another chance to deliver. There is another chance to improve. Keep that in mind. We keep in touch on Discord. Winners, reach out to me there. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you so much. Maximum discount scramble coupon code pretty much every